Oh, it's okay, baby.
He's gotta get a drink.
Gambit.
You're gonna need a drink too, aren't you?
Okay, baby.
The water's upstairs.
Gambit. Spitty boy. I think he needs more of a drink. Can you keep him here? Or not?
I don't know. I'm not sure if she wants to come back in or not.
Yeah.
Get you a drink, huh?
Water, Steve. Gambit, Gambit, Gambit. Careful.